Peoplemover. Here's why it's here today. Highway in the sky. You and the entire sit back, relax, and enjoy your you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. And now, Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
This is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's herd.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. Thereafter at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our grand circle of tours coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.